Avatars are created for YouTube videos without showing the...
Okay, step one, we need to come to videos and then we create a new project. And then we come to elements, generate your own, and then you add the prompt, then you generate the image. Okay, then if you're not happy with what you got, you can generate again. Let's just generate again and then see what is happening. If you are happy with this, you can just click on that picture and then you share. If you are not happy with what you are getting from Canva Magic Design, you can just go to Leonardo. You need to have an account there, and then you come here at image generation, okay, and then here you paste your prompt, and then this is what I got using the very same prompt in Canva. So what I got from Leonardo. So when you are happy with what you generated, then you can just hit download. You need to go to Elevelabs. Elevelabs, that's where we're going to generate the voice. Elevelabs is a text-to-speech technology. You just need to type in your script and select a voice that fits your avatar's personality. When you are satisfied with the voice, then generate and download. Okay, let's just generate. Okay, so this is what I've
Learn how engaging avatars are created for YouTube videos without showing the creator's face, offering privacy and a unique storytelling approach. Join Velry at RiriStudio to explore this digital magic and enhance your content creation.
Here you download. After downloading, then you just need to go back to Canva. When you are in Canva, go to apps, search DID. Okay, here it is. It's DID AI presenters. Then you click there. There it is. You click again, and then you upload the image that you saved from Canva AI or the one that you got from Leonardo AI. So this is the one that I saved, and then you upload the audio, the one that you generate from Elevelabs, and then here it is. You click on it and then you open. Okay, then after that you generate presenter, and then here we have it, a speaking avatar created using AI tools. I'm afraid we came to the end of our video. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, bye bye.
Learn how engaging avatars are created for YouTube videos without showing the creator's face, offering privacy and a unique storytelling approach. Join Velry at RiriStudio